Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Kristinib here, and today I've created this beautiful fall look using this nice beautiful plum lip. I love this look because it is realistic. You can wear it if you're going out to hang out with your friends, or if you're just going on a nice little date. It's super realistic and it's actually very easy to create. So if you like this look, don't forget to give my video a huge thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit that bell so you are notified whenever I do upload, because you don't want to miss an upload from me. And I will be doing more talk through videos. I am enjoying this. I need to get more comfortable on the camera because you will be seeing more of me. So if you like what you are seeing, make sure to stay tuned. Okay, so to start off, I am going to go in with the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette. This is the first collab she had with Morphe, and I am going to go into this shade, and the name of it is Jax. I am going to be taking my Morphe B84 brush to pack on that shade onto my lid. Unfortunately, they stopped selling these type of brushes, and I don't know why. But I love this brush because it really packs on the shade, as you guys will see. So I'm just gonna pack that onto my lid. And as you see, it really packs the shade on a lot. And I want this color to be as dark as I can get it, so I'm just gonna continuously keep packing, and then I'm going to blend out the edges after. Then next I am going to go in with the shade Abyss, which is that black shade in the same palette. And I'm just going to lightly dust it on top. I don't want my eyeshadow to be too black or dark. I just feel like just a little pop of it makes the color come out and stand out a little more. Now I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. Excuse the fact that it's so beat up. And I'm going to go in with the shade Venetian Red, which is like this pinkish shade. I'm going to be going in with my Morphe M506 brush, which is this small tapered blending brush. Now I'm going to go into the shade Beam from that same Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette, which is this shade here. And I'm just going to pop that into my brow bone as a highlight. And I'll be taking my Morphe M421 brush, which is a brush like that. It's very thin. Blend that, I'm just going to go back in with one of my Morphe M506 brushes because it's looking a little crazy. And honestly, if you recreate this look, I wouldn't even put that there, but I did it to the other eye, so I kind of have to follow suit. Okay, so I have primed my face already with the Makeup Forever matte primer. So now I'm just going to go in with my Becca foundation in the shade Sienna. And I believe they recently changed their shades or something. I don't know, but I feel like they changed it. And now I need to find my whole new foundation shade. And this actually might be a little too red for my skin tone, but I like it. And like I just said, I need to find the correct foundation shade. And I'm just going to go in with my Black Beauty Blender to blend this out. But I love this foundation. foundation so much. I need to find my right shade, but once I finish all my makeup, it doesn't look bad because the concealer, when I highlight and everything, it tones it all down. But the coverage on this foundation is amazing. Like, when I first started using it, it was so hard for me to use something else because I was just hooked on this. Like, it's really good. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Born This Way Too Faced concealer, and this is in Butterscotch to highlight my face. When I highlight, I only highlight under my eyes and the bridge of my nose, and I do take it up a little bit to my forehead, but not too crazy. Time to blend. And next I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour. Well, I use it as a contour shade, but it is a foundation stick, but I'm gonna, you know, go in and use it as a contour. It's in the shade Ebony, and I'm just going to apply it to the highest points of my face. So that will be my cheekbones and my forehead. Go in with my e.l.f. brush. It looks like a fan brush, but it's a blending brush, and I'm telling y'all, it's amazing for blending out that contour shade. I got it from Amazon, so just look up the blending brush on Amazon, or I'll actually put it in my description box so y'all can go ahead and purchase it because it's amazing. And no, this is not a sponsor. Now I'm going to go in with my black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, and I'm going to go in with this darkest shade. Which one is this? Oh, this is the medium to dark. So I'm going to take that same e.l.f. brush, and I'm just going to use that and set my contour. Then I'm going to go in with my Benign Neutral Setting Powder that I just tried yesterday for the first time, and I actually am pretty impressed with it. Make sure your concealer is blended under your eye before you go in and set the concealer. Looking a little weird right here, so I'm gonna actually go ahead and take this second shade in that same contour palette that I just used for my cheekbone area, and I'm just going to go ahead and, you know, contour a little bit in that area. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Inglot gel liner and I'm going to pop that into the inner rim of my eye. Alright, now I'm going back into that Jaclyn Hill in Morphe palette, and I'm just basically going to use the same shades that I use on the top of my eye. So I'm going to first go in with that lid color, and I'm just going to pop that onto the bottom portion of my eye. Then I'm going to go into that Modern Renaissance palette and take Venetian Red. I'm going to be going back with the Morphe M506 brush, and I'm just going to blend that right onto the bottom so it is not a harsh line there. Now I'm going to go into my Morphe blush palette, and I'm going to be taking this shade on the end, and I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild brush. It does not have a number on it, but you can get it from Target. That's where I got mine. Now I'm gonna go and set my face with some Morphe setting spray, and I love it because it's continuous, so you don't have to break your fingers just to spray your face and set your makeup. Now I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora palette, and I'm going to go in with these two shades to pop it into my inner corner for a highlight. I'm going to use the purple shade first. And I'm going to take that same purple shade from the Aurora palette, which is this one, and I am going to highlight my cheekbones with it using this big, beautiful, fluffy Morphe B28 brush. This is the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in Chianti. I'm basically just trying to see what kind of lip I want to go with this eyeshadow. I'm going to pop this shade Denzel into just the inner rim of my lips. I believe this is from Lena Lashes. I got this so